Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this product from this brand name COSRX. This is their BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. Price of this product is $18 and we get 100 ml product. This product is fragrance free, alcohol free, essential oil free. If you care about parabens and silicons, this is paraben free and silicone free as well. This is fungal acne safe, and if I'm not wrong, COSRX is cruelty free. So the first ingredient in this product is willow bark water. Willow bark water naturally has some BHA in it, and this also has 4% betaine salicylate. Betaine salicylate is a gentler alternative of salicylic acid. If you tried salicylic acid and it was very irritating, you can give betaine salicylate a try. You will get similar results but less irritation. This is a lot more gentler than salicylic acid. This also has niacinamide. Niacinamide is great. It's anti-aging, it's brightening, it helps with your moisture barrier, it helps with redness. This also has panthenol. Panthenol is very soothing and very calming, and this also has sodium hyaluronate, a great humectant. This product has 4% betaine salicylate. Just like salicylic acid, betaine salicylate not only exfoliate your pores from inside, remove the gunk and oil because it's oil soluble, it also exfoliate the top layer of your skin just like salicylic acid, but betaine salicylate is more gentler. Let's talk about my experience with this product. So I purchased this product multiple times because not only I loved using it on my face, but I loved using it on my body as well. In my experience, this product helped with whiteheads. This also helped with sebaceous filaments. You cannot get rid of sebaceous filaments, but you can minimize the appearance of them by using this product or using salicylic acid. In my experience, this also helped with blackheads. If you have really stubborn blackheads, then I won't recommend you this product because in my experience, this is very gentle and it don't help with very stubborn blackheads. I have few blackheads, and in my experience, salicylic acid work way better for blackheads, even though the name is Blackhead Power Liquid. But in my experience, this works better for whiteheads and sebaceous filaments. And if your blackheads are not very stubborn, then you can give this one a try. If you have really stubborn blackheads, then I will definitely recommend you to go with salicylic acid. If you have really large pores, if you have clogged pores, if your skin is very oily, you can use it on your whole face. Of course, not the area around your eyes, but you can use it on your whole face. I think you will really enjoy this. I also use this product on my body. I was using it under my arms, between my thighs, because betaine salicylate, BHA, kill the bacteria that break down sweat and then we smell bad. So you can use this product there as well. I find it very gentle. I started using it every day and I find it very gentle. I never experienced irritation from it. But if you're just starting with BHA, then use it once a week and then twice a week and see how your skin reacts to it. These exfoliating acids exfoliate your skin, so don't forget to wear your sunscreen. These products make your skin more sensitive to the sun. If you have KP, if you have dark elbows, knuckles, knees, you can also use this product there. No, you don't have to only use it on your face, you can use it on your body as well. I was even using it on my legs. In my experience, this was very gentle, so I was using it on my whole body. Betaine salicylate or salicylic acid both control excess sebum, but in my experience, this product is very hydrating. Even if you have dry skin, you can give this product a try. Just make sure to use a thicker moisturizer on top of this. In my experience, this is not like other exfoliating acids. This actually leaves your skin very hydrated, a little bit glowy. I personally don't mind a little bit glowy finish. So this leaves your skin a little bit glowy, hydrated, and of course use a moisturizer on top of this. If you have acne scars, you can give this product a try. I think you will really enjoy this. I will recommend this product to all skin types. If you have sensitive skin, definitely start slow. Use it once a week. See how your skin reacts to it, then maybe 2 times a week. If you have really sensitive skin, I will recommend you to use it once or twice a week, not more than that, because these exfoliating acids will make your skin even more sensitive. Some people can even use this product every day, but give your skin some time to get used to of betaine salicylate. Don't use it every single day. If your skin is not used to of using these exfoliating acids, give your skin some time. But yeah, I love this product. I will highly recommend you to give this one a try. I think this is great for all skin types. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.